Hi, this is Lynn McCool. Today I want to talk about the third deliverable in your project, which is an analytical report. And for your project, you are not going to create a full-fledged analytical report. Instead, you'll be creating an abstract summary for quick reference for the client that you are doing the work for. There are several different types of analytical reports. For example, research reports, empirical research reports, completion reports, recommendation reports, and feasibility reports. The kind of report that you'll be writing, or at least a summary of it, will have to do with a completion and recommendation report. Analytical reports, just like activity reports, have some stock features to them, so some basic features in this particular genre, which include front matter, the introduction, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, and inside the conclusion are where recommendations would be made, and then something called back matter. One of the things that we want to consider in our analytical report is the kind of words that we choose in order to create various statements. And especially for purpose statements, we want to use action verbs, words like analyze, examine, investigate, study, inspect, assess, explore, develop, formulate, and so forth. These all show action and help us to create a sense of motion and purpose behind the actual report itself. You're not going to be writing a full-fledged report, as I had mentioned earlier. Instead, what you'll do is write an abstract summary. And so you'll take each one of the basic sections within the report itself and condense it down to a sentence or a few sentences. And I've given you some guidelines here. So for example, your purpose statement should be about one sentence, main point, one sentence. You could use a couple of sentences to 1, 2, or 3 sentences to describe your methodology. In other words, how did you do your research? Results, again, in about a sentence or two. Discussion about those results, why they might be important, or answering the so what question. And then finally some recommendations in another couple of sentences. So instead of producing a huge booklet, I'm just asking that you create a very short summary type of report using the analytical framework, genre framework. If you have any questions about the particular aspects of this report, the fact that it's truncated and is much shorter than what a true analytical report would be, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm happy to answer questions. Otherwise, I think that this particular format right here will help you in guiding you to producing a very concise summary of what would have been your longer report. That's all I have for you today, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.